everyone. Once again, a very warm welcome to all the students from Olympiad Success Family. And I would like to wish you all a very happy New Year 2023. And may this year brings in a lot of success and happiness to everybody's life. So kids, as you all know, we are here for a demo and interaction program for grade 7 mathematics. And this is for level 2 preparation. Okay. So what exactly we would be doing in level 2 preparation? So we won't be covering each and every topic in detail, but yes, we would be, just brushing up the concepts, and then we would be focusing on level 2 questions, right? So can anyone tell me what is the difference between level 1 and level 2 questions? You can write it down in the chat section. Level 2 is more time taking, more higher order questions are there. Okay. Level 2 questions are more hard. The questions will be in higher range. Okay. Yes. So absolutely, like one way or the other, you all students are correct. So the questions are twisted. Absolutely. The questions are twisted. And you have to be really strong with your concepts, because it is like all the questions are concept oriented, and nothing would be asked directly. So you should know your concepts really well so that you can answer those questions. Okay, so students, like for today's session, since it's a demo session, there would be a sequence of events which we would be following. So first of all, there would be an introduction by your mentor. Okay, post that, Rajan sir will be taking you through the course details, and after that I will be taking you through the tour of the platform. Post that, we would be having a short question and answer round. So if you have any doubts, queries, you can write it down in the chat section and we would be answering your queries. Post the Q&A session, we will be starting with the demo session for which you all are here. Okay, and now I would like to invite Sukamal sir. So Sukamal sir has been associated with Olympiad Success for quite a while, and he comes with a wonderful background. So students, I'm sure you are going to enjoy his classes. So welcome, Sukamal sir. How are you?
Thanks, Aarti. I'm good. Thank you so much. So once again, welcome everyone, and wishing you all a very happy and prosperous New Year. We've just started off, the New Year a couple of days back. So we are still in that New Year mood, and we would be starting in that mood itself. So I can see Satvik, who was with me in the earlier class as well, and a lot of new faces. So definitely we are going to have a lot of fun going forward, along with the regular classes that we are going to have. So just a quick introduction. As Aarti ma'am said, that I've been associated with Olympiad Success for quite some time now, and beyond that, I'm an engineer and an MBA by profession. Had worked in the industry for a long time, and then also associated with teaching for the last almost 20 years now. And I'm very passionate about mathematics, and I do teach mathematics at various levels. So that's about me in short. Over to you, Aarti ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sukamal sir. It's always a pleasure to have you on the platform, and students, trust me, are going to enjoy his classes. And as Sukamal sir mentioned, he has a vast experience, teaching experience, and make sure you get all your concepts cleared by him, right? So now over to Rajan sir for a quick presentation.
Sure, ma'am. Let me share my screen. So welcome students, welcome to the demo interaction program for grade 7 mathematics. So firstly, let me tell you about us, about Olympiad Success. So Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exams. We have Olympiad live classes, and we also have School Plus program. So in School Plus program, we offer 8 courses that are mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication spoken written, both Vedic maths as well as coding. What else, student? We also offer online CBSE plus Olympiad classes for grade 6 to 10, and one-on-one preparation classes for International Mathematics Olympiad like SESMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Math Count, US Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, and PRMO. Now students, meet the rank holder for session 21-22, and hopefully we will see your faces now in next session. Okay. And now students, about this course. So there will be around 20 students in the class, and the classes will be conducted on Zoom platform only. Okay. So there will be 4 sessions per week. The days will be Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And the class timing is 8 to 9:15. Okay. So the class duration will be 75 minutes. Now, as it is a level 2 question, what we are going to do in this. So there will be a topic wise quick revision of each and every chapter. And after that, we will discuss previous year level 2 questions. Okay. Now, students, you will also get reading material and practice question, which is available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. And you will also get free access to the Olympiad Success platform to practice level 2, like previous year questions. Okay. Now, students, the syllabus link I will share within the chat box. The fees for this course is 4,500, and there will be 20 sessions in this course. The fee include online classes, daily reading notes and exercises, practice of a previous year level 2 question, and like I said, you will get access to the Olympiad Success platform for the content and mock test. Okay. Now, I think results are already declared, but in case like if anyone not get selected for level 2 exam, we are going to refund your fee. Okay, but you need to share your roll number with us. Okay. Now, students, to join this course, what you need a laptop with good internet speed and headphone. And as you have already appeared in level 1, you know, like you need to prepare for Olympiads. So you need to spend approx 2-3 hours every day to practice and to cope up with the curriculum. Okay. Now the live classes for this course, we are going to start from 6th of January. And currently we having student from 3800 school, and we are catering in 35 plus countries. So this is about this course, students. Now, if anyone have any doubt, any query, we will take that. Okay. Now Aarti ma'am will give you a tour of Olympiad Success dashboard. After that, we will take your queries. So over to you, Aarti ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much, Rajan sir, for a wonderful presentation. And now let me quickly share my screen. All right, students. So, students, once you enroll to this program, you would be getting your credentials using which you can log into our platform. So, what you have to do is you have to go to our website, olympiadsuccess.com, enter your credentials, that is your email and password, and click on the sign in button. You would be redirected to the dashboard on your profile page. You have to complete your profile. And after that, you can go to the live classes page. Okay, so this option available. And here you have to select the subject. So this is Mathematics Olympiad. After selecting this subject, you have to select the topic. So let's say I select number system. So here we provide you the reading material, practice questions and answer key. So you have to click on the reading material. Let's say I click on this link. A PDF will open up, and all the content related to the reading material topic number system will be displayed. Okay. So here you can see this. After that, you can practice from the practice questions given over here, mark down your answers. And like once you have completed the test and marked your answer, you can compare it with the answer given by Olympiad Success. So just open this link and you can match your answers, what you had answered and what is the answer key given by us. Right, then you can view the schedule of this entire 20 session program by clicking on the view schedule button. So here, like all the things would be mentioned. So what we would be taking up in which session. So in session 1, what you would be doing in session 2, session 3, session 4. So as Rajan sir had mentioned, so first of all, we would be doing a quick revision of the topics, and then we would be having a previous year paper discussion test. Okay. So that would be taken up, and then here is the holiday calendar. So this is going to be updated soon for this year. This is for 2022. And here, like Zoom meeting ID and password you see. So your meeting ID and password will be displayed. The second important thing over here is the worksheet section. So if you click on the worksheets, you have to, from the drop down, select maths level 2 mock test. Okay. So 10 mock tests will be provided to you. What you have to do is to just click on the take exam button and your examination will get started. You have to appear for the examination, and then you can check your performance by clicking on the performance tab, selecting the subject. So let's say I select mathematics and click on the view button, and I can check my complete answer key. So this is all about the platform, like how you can access the reading material, practice questions, answer keys, and the mock tests. Okay, so now we are open for the question and answer round. If you have any doubts, queries, you can write it down in the chat section so that we can answer your queries. So any questions coming up, students? Okay,
No.
Rana says no.
Okay,
And what
everything
about
is clear.
others? Okay.
What were the fees?
Do we have to
Do we
pay
have?
for it?
Okay, do anyone tell like what is the fee for the course?
You can write it down. Lakshya, I can see you are raising your hand. You can write it down in the chat section. Yes. So Rajan sir, it is 4,500, right?
Correct, ma'am. Correct. It is 45. Any other question, students? No.
So I hope the other question gets answered automatically. So this course is not for free. You have to pay rupees 4,500 for this course. Okay.
Can you repeat the name of the link? Okay, link I will share again. Course content. Who will be teach? So Sukamal sir is here. He is going to teach.
Yes. So Adya, you have to see his demo and you'll understand. Okay. And Manisha, to your question, course content. So Rajan sir is sharing the links in the chat section. So it would be having the syllabus link as well. So as mentioned during our presentation also, we won't be covering each and every topic of the syllabus in detail, but yes, we would be brushing up the topics and it would be more of revision rather than, learning new things.
Correct. Any other question, students? Okay. Okay, let CBSE course will be covered.
Yes, Manisha. So basically Olympiad examinations, it's a combination of various important boards, I would say, like CBSE, ICSE, and like few parts of state boards as well. But then I believe you would have appeared for the level 1 examination as well. So the course, the syllabus remains entirely the same. It is just the difficulty level of the questions which gets changed. Okay, so the questions are a bit difficult. They are more concept oriented and yep. So everything would remain the same, Manisha, like whatever you had studied for level 1. Okay.
Yes.
Timings. So Rajan said this question is asked by you and now some student is asking you this question.
Correct, ma'am. Okay, let's say answer. It is 8 to 9:15 p.m. Okay. Okay, can you tell me the days also, students? What are the days for the classes? Write in the chat box. Days for the classes. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Yes, correct. The days are Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and the class timing is 8 to 9:15 p.m. Arush, it is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. We also have class on Thursday. Okay. And students, how many sessions will be there? Write in the chat box. How many sessions will be there? 20. Okay, I think they have already typed. They're just waiting for me to ask.
And in
Okay.
how many months your course will get completed? This should be as quick as typing 20. Have we asked some difficult question, Rajan sir? 4 to 5
4 to 5
months.
months. No,
Manisha,
Manisha,
then when will you be appearing for your level 2 then? You would be next grade.
1 to 2. Okay. I'm new to this.
I'm new to this. So we are asking one simple question. You know how many sessions are there? There are 20 sessions in this course. We are just asking you one simple question, like in how many months this course will get completed?
And the hint is that there will be 4 classes in a week.
Yes.
Right, 5 weeks.
And come with 5 weeks. Yes, correct.
Yeah.
In Feb, that is also correct.
Yes. So 5 weeks, it's the correct answer. Yes, Lakshan.
Okay, students, do anyone have any other question or any query? Or shall we start with the session? 1 month, 1 week. That is also correct. So students, do anyone have any other question, any query? Shall we start with the session? You can write yes, no. Okay, I think Manisha asked one question.
So
Please
Manisha,
tell
to
me
your
the details.
question. Yeah. Please tell me the details of the examination. So Manisha, basically we are here for the level 2 preparation classes. Okay. So I believe you would have appeared for the level 1 examination. All right. So all the students who cleared the cutoff for level 2 and would want to join these classes for their level 2 preparation, so we are conducting these classes for those students, right? So you have not taken any level 1 examination. No worries, Manisha, you can check the websites. I believe Crest Olympiads, their mathematics examination is yet to come in a day or two. So if you would want to enroll, so in that also there are 2 levels, level 1 and level 2. You can certainly check their website. And for the other examination, SOF is already done. The result is also out. And maybe you can check and then you can do. And also, like, you can, even though if you have not appeared for the level 1 examination, but then if you want to, strengthen your concepts and want to learn more, you are free to, like, join this course, enroll for this course. Okay. Which exams will you prepare us for, Akshat? So Akshat, this would be going to be, like for all the basic Olympiad examinations, which include SOF, Silver Zone, CREST, like all these major Olympiad examinations. Okay. And what is the cutoff for CREST Mathematics Olympiad? So Lakshya, like the examination is pending. So the cutoff will be declared only once they declare the result. So I cannot say like what would be the cutoff. Okay. Yes, this course covers only mathematics. Akshat, we have other classes for NMTC PRMO. We do conduct the classes. So right now, like for the next academic year, that is 23-24, we have come up with our schedule. So probably in a day or two, we would be making it live on our website on the live batch fee details page. Rajan sir had already shared the links in the chat section. So you can go to that page and after a day or two, and you can check the upcoming batches for the academic year 23-24. So we are certainly, would be doing batches for these examinations. In case if you're looking for one-to-one classes, you can connect with us on our number, which is 95607-64447, and the concerned person will be helping you out with further process. Okay.
How much time? Okay, I think student already answered this question. It's going to take 5 weeks. Okay, any other questions, students? Can you tell the contact number again? Okay, let me share.
Yeah, Rajan sir, it would be nice. So everybody, Rajan sir is sharing all the important links in the chat section, which includes the contact number and our support email address as well. So please copy all these links. It would be helpful for you. Okay.
Which
Yes,
subject?
Kashvi.
You don't.
We
So
are
this is
here
the
for
demo session for
mathematics.
mathematics. Yes. Okay, any other questions, students, or shall we start with the session? Yeah,
Arush is very
no.
excited. Yes. Start with the session.
Okay, Aarti ma'am, I think we can start with the session.
Absolutely.
Okay, so over to you, Sukamal sir.
Hi, Rajan. Thank you. Okay. So let me share my screen. Okay. Can everyone see my screen? Am I audible? Can everyone see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's start with the, we'll come to all this, but let's start with a very simple question, and I want everyone to attempt this, right? What is 17% of 270? Let me see who gets it first. Type your answers in chat. 17% of 270. Okay. I see a lot of you have attempted it. Some of you have got the right answers. Okay. Okay. So how do you do this? Okay. So 1% of any number is the number divided by 100, and 10% is the number divided by 10. This is how you calculate. Okay. So this is actually, you can do it very quickly. So you break this 17% into 10% plus 5% plus 2 into 1%. Right? If you do it like this, so 10% means 27. Half of that is 13.5. So that makes it 40.5. And 1% means 2.7 into 2, 5.4. So with that, you add 5.4. So 45.9. So quite a few of you have got the right answer. Okay. So you don't need to even write it down. You can calculate it mentally. Okay. So just to, have a quick recap of our basics. Okay. Now let's get started with equations, right? Today's topic is simple equations. Now we've done all kinds of simple equations when we were doing level 1, and I'm sure you would have done it in school also. Those of you who have not probably appeared for level 1 yet, you would have definitely done it in school. Anyone who haven't done or doesn't know simple equation, you can just mention in chat. Anyone? Okay. So everyone knows what is simple equation. Fine. Okay, let's look at the first question. Now, today I'm going to, show you a few tricks which will help you to solve questions faster. Okay. Now, all the questions that I'll be discussing today, I'm sure you can solve them. But the question is how fast you can do it, because level 2 is a bit more competitive than level 1, and you have to, your speed becomes very critical. Okay, look at the first one. Alex and Ria were using number cards to play a game in which the outcome was only revealed indirectly. Now, whenever you are reading a question, you should, just ignore sentences which doesn't have data. So the first sentence I can ignore. Now it's Alex's turn. He's got a 2-digit number. Now I will start reading from here. 2-digit number where the 10th digit exceeds the unit digit by 5. So I have a 2-digit number. This digit is more than this digit by 5. So if this is x, this is x plus 5. The new number is 45 less if the digits are reversed. Now if I do x and x plus 5, then this number becomes 45 less. Okay. Find Alex's number if the sum of their digits is 9. Now let me see if anyone has got the answer. Okay. So yeah. So all of you are correct. 72. Now in this question, you don't need to solve it mathematically. You can see the options and you can match the options with the information given to arrive at the result quickly. So just by reading this part, you know that the difference between these two numbers is 5. So which numbers have a difference of 5? Not this, not this. This and this has a difference of 5. Now the tens digit is more. So this cannot be the answer. So this is the answer. Okay. So without solving mathematically, you can actually get the right answer for this one. Right. But on this note, let me tell you one very important thing, that if you have a 2-digit number, any 2-digit number of the form AB, now if I interchange the digits, it becomes BA. Now the difference between these two numbers is 9 into some number. It's a multiple of 9, the difference of these two numbers. Why? Because when I write a number as AB, this is actually 10A plus B, and this is 10B plus A. Now, if you subtract this, the second one from the first one, you get 10A minus A, which is 9A, B minus 10B is minus 9B. So this is 9 into A minus B. That means the difference between these two numbers is 9 times the difference between the digits. Right? So from that also, if I see that the difference is 45, that means the difference between the digits will be 5. In fact, I don't even need the first part. Right? But why do I need the first part? I need the first part to decide between 27 and 72. Right? So this is 5, and sum of their digits is 9. That's the second part of the story. So that means A plus B is 9. A minus B is 5. Solve for it, you get 72. Okay. Second one. As a member of an NGO, Dora and her team planted trees in the yard, selecting both seedlings and trees with therapeutic properties. Now, once again, I will not read all of this. I'll read only the sentence which has data. Number of medicinal trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of seedlings. What was the total number of seedlings planted? If they planted 77 medicinal trees. Now here also, if you want to do it mathematically by writing the equation, so then you have to write that the trees is 2 more than 3 times the number of seedlings. 3 times seedlings plus 2. Now, the number of trees is 77. So this is given as 77. So seedling would be 77 minus 2 by 3, which is 25. Right? Okay. Now, before I go to the next one. So from the first two, okay, the first one I showed that you can solve it just by using the options. Okay. The second one also, don't try to, write the equation and solve it conventionally, because in competitive exams, the lesser you write, the faster will be your speed. The moment you touch the paper or the board, your speed reduces. Okay. So the second one also, you should start with this number, 77. Then see what is 77, the trees. So the trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of seedlings. So in your mind, you can calculate that 3 minus 2 is the 3 times the number of seedlings. So that means 75 divided by 3 would be 25. Make sense? Okay. Number 3, on similar lines. Okay. Let me see who gets this for a change. Laksha, correct. Okay. So this should be the speed. Okay. Yes. So speed is very critical. Now, I'm a number, tell my identity. Take me, so these two are not very important, okay? The important ones are here. 7 times over, add 50, that means 7x plus 50. To reach a triple century, you still need 40. So that means triple century minus 40, 260. Now I've added 50. So subtract this 50. So 210. So I've taken 7 times. So divide by 7, 30. Clear? Okay, I'll take a 30-second pause. Is anyone having any difficulty to follow the way I'm doing it? Don't feel shy. You can just type in the chat, yes or no. Okay. Great. Excellent. 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 Okay. So let's move on. Okay. Okay, Piyush, before I go to the next one. Yes, Piyush. You have any difficulty, you can type in the chat. Now, of course, today you'll not be able to interact, but from the next class onward, we will be able to interact directly, over voice. So, okay. So since today is a demo class, just bear with me. If you have any difficulties, just note down your difficulties. I'm going to address it in the next class. Oh, what is meant by 7 times? 7 times means 7 times means multiply by 7. Times means multiply. Clear? Piyush, clear? Multiply by 7. Wherever you see times. 40. You need 40. That means you have to add 40. To reach triple century, you still need 40. That means you have to add 40 to get to 300. So that means you are 40 short of 300, which is 260. Okay? Okay. Okay, next one. Vicky and Senorita are having a conversation about their ages. Ritu came to the following conclusion after hearing their chat. The present age of Senorita is 3 years more than 3 times the age of Vicky. 3 years hence, Senorita's age would be 10 years more than twice the age of Vicky. Find out Senorita's current age. Let me see who gets it. Fantastic. Fantastic. A lot of you have got it. So, present age of Senorita is 3 years more than 3 times. So 3V plus 3. S is 3V plus 3. 3 years hence. That means 3 years from now, S plus 3. Senorita would be 10 years more than twice the age of Vicky. So 2 times V plus 10. Sorry, V plus 3 plus 10. So solve for it. You can solve it in various ways. Simplest way is just subtract this from this. So 3 equals minus V, and then 6 plus 10, 16, minus 3 is 13. So V is 13 minus 3, 10. And Senorita would be 10 into 3 plus 3, 33. Okay. 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 Let me take a couple of minutes here to explain this kind of a question. Now, this is a very common question based on ages. Okay. Now, the ages of 2 people are given, Vicky and Senorita. Okay. Now, the present age of Senorita is 3 years more than 3 times the age of Vicky. Let Vicky's current age be equal to V. So 3 times of V means 3V plus 3. So Senorita senorita's age, let this be S. So S will be equal to 3 years more than 3 times the age of Vicky. 3 times the age of Vicky is 3V plus 3. Clear? So this is the relationship between senorita's current age and Vicky's current age. Right? 3 years hence. 3 years hence means after 3 years from now. Now suppose your age right now is 13 years. So 3 years from now, what would be your age? 13 plus 3, 16, right? So Vicky's current age is V. So after 3 years, Vicky's age will be V plus 3. You simply add 3. Senorita's age will be S plus 3. And what is given? Senorita's age after 3 years hence means after 3 years, Senorita's age will be 10 years more than twice the age of Vicky. Twice the age of Vicky at that time, not now. Okay. So Senorita's age at that time will be S plus 3, which will be 10 years more than twice the age of Vicky. So twice the age of Vicky at that time plus 10. Okay. So this is the first equation. This is the second equation. You have 2 equations, 2 unknowns. You can solve it. Right? There are a lot of methods. Substitution is one, or elimination is the other one. Okay. Is it clear now? Have you understood the question, everyone? Udip? No? Okay, Udip. Udip, okay, you just note it down. Don't worry. When we start our classes, please bring this up. I will explain to you. Okay? Clear? Okay. Just take a note of this question. Just take a note of the question as age of 2 people. I will be able to recollect. Okay. Now let's move on. Okay. Guys, mark this question as important because various forms of this question come in the exam pretty often. So quite an important question. Okay, the second number is twice as large as the first and 3 times as large as the third. If the average of the 3 numbers is 44, find the largest number. Let's see who gets it. Yes, Piyush, this is the Olympiad class. Okay. Okay. Quite a few have already answered. Very good. So second number. So let the numbers be N1. You can take anything. You can take ABC also. Piyush, I cannot answer that. You have to check with the team. I cannot answer whether you've been selected for the second round or not. Please check with the team. Okay. Okay. So you can assume that the numbers are A, B, C. So the first number is A, second is B, third is C. So second number is twice as large as the first. So B is twice A and 3 times as large as the third. And this is also 3 times C. So that means I have a relationship between A, B, and C. So average of 3 numbers is 44, means the total of 3 numbers is 44 into 3, which is 132. So that means if I total it up, so this is A plus B plus C is 132. Now, here I have the relationship between A, B, and C. So I can write A plus B means 2A and C means 2 by 3A is 132, right? So that means 3A plus 3 plus 2 by 3 is 11 by 2. 11 by 3. A is 132. So A is 36, B is 72, and C is 2/3 of 36, which is 24. So 72 would be the largest number. Okay, guys, I would request you, the chat is only to discuss the questions. Don't write anything else on the chat, okay, please. Okay, fourth question. Someone is requested for the fourth question. This is the fourth question, the age one. Okay, Sitaramana, if you have any doubt, please note down the doubt. Okay, I will explain in the actual class because today I cannot interact with you directly. Okay, just note down your doubt. I'll definitely come back. Okay, before I go to the next question, let me ask you another very important question. Okay, Piyush, I don't know whether you entered late. So let me repeat. The classes will be on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday from 8 to 9:15 p.m. Okay. And it will start from this Friday, which is 6th. Okay. Can anyone tell me the answer to this? 86 into 95 without multiplying. Without multiplying, can anyone tell me the answer to this? Okay, Arush 8170. Okay, a lot of you have done it. Okay, now how to do this? This can be actually calculated mentally. And this is true for numbers which are close to 100. So how far is 86 from 100? 14 minus 14. How far is 95 from 100? 5 minus 5. So you cross add any two of them. Either you do 86 minus 5 or 95 minus 14. Both will give you the same answer, which is 81. Now you multiply minus 14 and minus 5, which is going to give you plus 70. So this is the product of 86 and 95. Okay. This is a very useful trick to calculate product of numbers which are close to 100. It is applicable to numbers less than 100, more than 100, or a mix of one number less than 100, one number more than 100. Okay. Those of you who know it, very good. Those of you who don't know, I'll again explain in the regular class. Okay, let's move on. Excellent. Okay, number 6. The weight of Ruhi is 5 kg more than Samuel. The weight of Sam is 12 kg less than double the weight of Samuel. If the total weight of all three is 93, form the equation. Very simple question. Right? So you start off with the weight of Samuel. So Ruhi is 5 kg more than Samuel. So S plus 5. Sam is 12 kg less than double the weight of Samuel. So Sam is 2S minus 12. So if I take the sum of all three, then it will be s plus 5 plus 2s minus 12. This is equal to 93. So 4s minus 7 equals 93. Right? So this is also correct. 4s. Yes. 4x minus 7 equal to 93 is also correct. And the number C, x plus 5 plus 2x minus 12 equal to 93, that is also correct. Okay. So there are questions where you will have more than one correct answers. Okay. We go to the next one. When a number is reduced by 1/4 and the result is multiplied by half, the result is 1/4. What number is it? Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Once again, you can use the, instead, of course, you can do it by using equations. So x minus 1/4 into 1/2 is 1/4. Right? From there, you can solve for x. But you can also use the options in this case. Reduced by 1/4. Now, first option is 1/4. If I reduce by 1/4, it becomes 0. So this is not the case. Right? Then second is half. If I reduce by 1/4, it becomes 1/4. 1/4 into half becomes 1/8. No. 3/4. Reduced by 1/4, half. Half into half is 1/4. That's it. Okay. Number 8. Select the incorrect statement. In an equation to maintain the balance or equality, any number added to one side must also be added to the other side. Okay. You could not understand number 7. Okay, Piyush, once again, take a note of the question. As I said, bring it up in the class, in the normal class. I will explain it to you. Okay, wherever you have your doubt. Clear? Okay, Piyush? I'll explain in the normal class. Okay. Number 8, select the incorrect option. In an equation to maintain the balance or equality, any number added to one side must also be added to the other side. Number B, anything subtracted from one side of an equation must also be subtracted from the other side. Number C, if one side of an equation is multiplied by a number, the other side must also be multiplied by the same number. Number D, if one side of an equation is divided by a number, the other side must also be multiplied by the same number. So it's very simple. Option D, whatever operation you do on one side, you have to repeat the operation on the other side. Okay. Number 9. Diana is a pro at raising honeybees. In her garden, she has a few jasmine plants and honeybees are buzzing around the blooms. She noticed that if one bee lands on each flower, one bee would be left. If two bees land on each flower, one flower will be left. How many flowers and bees are there in total? Once again, use the options. So, but you have to be a little careful to see the order. So the first number would be flowers, second one is bees. So let's say 3 and 4. So 3 flowers, 4 bees. So first is flower, second is bees. So 3 and 4. So if one bee lands on each flower, one bee would be left, right? One bee lands on each flower, one bee is left. And 2 bees land on each flower, one flower will be left. So 3 and 4, option A. Not B. This is where you have to be careful. Which is the flower? The first one is the flower. Second is the bee. Okay. Okay. Now look at that's option C also. So you have one bee lands on each flower. So 2 bees, one bee would be left. Now, if 2 bees land on each flower, then again one bee would be left. So this will not work. So option A. No, Tejasri, it is not B. Flowers is the first one. How many flowers and bees? So flowers is the first, right? One bee lands on each flower. So there are 4 bees. One bee lands on each flower. So 3 bees are on each are on the flowers. One bee is left. 2 bees land on each flower. That means 2 plus 2, 4, and one flower is left. So it is option A, not B. Okay, solve the following equation. Now this is a typical equation in one variable, which you have to solve, right? Now, you can use the option if you want to, or you can do it the conventional way, right? So if I have to do it the conventional way, so first, let me simplify the left-hand side, which is 21 by 4x, 21 by 4 minus 2, and then minus of minus means plus x by 2, so plus half, minus of minus, and then I have a minus, so sorry, this would be minus. So into x, and then I have minus 3 by 4 and minus half and minus of that, so plus half, equals x plus 3 by 2. So that means you have 4 is the LCM, so 21 minus, so this is 2.5, so 5 by 2, so 10. 21 minus 10 is 11 by 4x, and this is minus 1 by 4 equals x plus 3 by 2. So 11 minus 4, that's 7 by 4x is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So which is 6 plus 1, 7 by 4, x is equal to 1. Okay. Okay. See, again, there is a question on age. Now, age is a very important topic because a lot of questions come based on this. Present ages of a father and son are in the ratio of 7:3. That means I can take father, son as 7x and 3x, right? Ratio of their ages will be 2:1 after 10 years. So that means 7x plus 10, 3x plus 10. This ratio will be 2:1. Okay. Then the percentage of the father, right? So now let me use the options. Now, since the percentage of the father is 7x, so it's a multiple of 7. So I can straight away cancel these two. They're not multiples of 7. So the choice is between 63 and 70, right? So now I assume 70 because it's easier to calculate. So that means x is 10. So now that this would be 80 and this would be 40. So this is 2:1. So answer is 70. Clear? Okay. Okay. So that brings us to the end of today's demo session. Okay. So obviously, when we go into the actual classes, there'll be a lot more discussion. Okay, Piyush, please note down the questions that you could not understand. As I said, I will definitely explain in the regular class. Okay, there'll be a lot more questions coming up on these topics because we will be dealing with lot many more questions, and you can note down whatever doubt you have. I will clarify that in the regular class. Okay. Does anyone else have any doubts? Okay. Okay. So if not, then that brings us to the end of our session today. Okay. Oh, Manisha. Okay. Yes, I know I taught fast. Absolutely. This is only a demo class, right? So that's why I went a little fast. Okay. But that's why I said that note down whatever you could not understand, please note down. I will be explaining them in the regular class, right? So the regular class will be slower, definitely. Right? Okay. Now, before we leave, okay. Okay, let me ask you. What is the divisibility rule for 7? So I will not give you the answer today. I'll give you the answer in the regular class. So I want you to do some research. Okay. So you'll get it. If you search on Google, you'll get it. So I want you to do a little bit of research. Anyone knows the divisibility rule for 7? Okay, excellent. If you know it, great. In fact, there are more than one ways of doing it, but even if you know at least one. Yes, Sadia, you're right. That's one way of doing it. There is another way also. Anyway, we'll discuss this. Okay, and many more things when we get into our regular classes. Okay, guys. So it was nice interacting with all of you, and we meet day after tomorrow in the regular class. Okay, that's all for today. Take care. Bye.